Hello, welcome to this video whereby you are given 5 power t is equal to t power 625 and you are needed to obtain the value of t. When you look to the left, you have 5 power t, and to the right, you have t power 625. So what we are going to do, we are going to collect the like sum together. And how do we collect the like sum together here? First of all, we are going to multiply on the left hand side the index of t by the reciprocal of t as follows. So 5 power t multiplied by the reciprocal of t, which is 1 over t, on the right hand side. On the left hand side, we are going to be left with the 5 power 1, which is equal to the left hand side, whereby we are going to be left with the t power 625 or over t. We want to multiply the index with the reciprocal of 625 both the sides, so that on the right we can only be left with t. To do that, we write as follows. So multiplied by reciprocal of 625, you can see on the right hand side 625 will cancel with 625, and so on the right hand side we are left with the t to the power of 1 over t, because here we have 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and the t multiplied by 1 is 1. So the objective now is to make the base to be the same as the index, because here we have t and here we have t, by the following. So we note that 5 over 5 is 1, so we can introduce 5 over 5 as the index multiplied by 1 over 6 to the power of 1 over 625. Then we apply this law of index, which tells us that when you have bracket, m multiplied by n is the same as a power n m here. So it's around 5 to the power of 5 multiplied by, not here means multiply 1 over 5 times 625. Now 5 to the power of 5 means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 up to 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. This part. 5 times 5 is also 25 times 5. Then 25 times 25 is 625 multiplied by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, 12. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1, 31. So here we are going to have 331.25 to the power of 1 divided by 5 times, remember here dot means times, 5 times 625, we have found it is 31.25. This is equal to t to the power of 1 over t, meaning that our t, we can clearly see, is 31 to 25. Or you can even say 1 over t is equal to 31.25. The reciprocal of 1 over t is t. The reciprocal of 1 over 31.25 is 31.25. We want to check and confirm whether our working is correct as follows. So we had 5 to the power of t as equal to 625, and we have obtained our t is equal to 31.25. We want to check whether the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side when you substitute t as equal to 125. So substituting the value of t, we have 5 to the power of 125 is equal to 125 to the power of 625. Note that 125 is the same as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is the same as 5 to the power of 5. So we have 5 that 125, which is equal to 5 to the power of 5 multiplied by 62, 5. On the right hand side, we can substitute that 125 with this one, that 125 with 5 power, 5 to the power of 5, which is equal to 5. 5 times 5, we have, it is 25. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1, that's 1. So you can clearly see that 5 to the power of that 125 is the same as 5 to the power of that 125, meaning that our equation, which was 5 power t, is equal to t power 625. The value of t is equal to that 125. That 125 for 3,125. Kindly, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, consider to do so. Also consider to share this video with the other mathematicians so that you may learn together. You can also give your comment on any other approach which we can use to obtain the value of t when we have an equation like this. 5 to the power of t is equal to t to the power of 625. In our working here, we have taken the legs term together. All up 5 and the 625, we have taken them together, and we have also grouped the value of the terms with the t together. And then we have ensured that the base are the same, and the height and the index are the same. So that is how we have worked this equation. Thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.